Hello everyone, this is Black Friday unboxing. There are two puzzles. Let's open it. So let's start from the other stories. Here we can see a dress. This is a responsible wool dress, a silhouette. It's really great for my peer body type. And it's warm, it's good to wear for job. Why I'm buying this? Because I got a job and I need something to wear. And something, yes, I love dresses. That's why I'm buying dresses. So one more new basic color, basic dress. And I got scarves. And there are two scarves. Wool, 100% wool scarf from other stories. And what can I say? Gorgeous. I thought there will be itching scarves, but it's very soft, very nice. And they are oversized. It seems to me they are 2 meters long and quite wide. That's good. There are two scarves. One of them I'm gonna return. I just wanted to see the colors and choose one of them because I don't need two. And H&M. I ordered jeans, beige jeans, mom's jeans, but it seems to me they will be too large. It's UK 14. Last time I also bought UK 14, but maybe they will be okay. I don't know. But now it seems to me the UK 12 would be better. Okay, let's see. But the color is beautiful. It's like a sand color, right? And what else? I bought a premium collection. I love premium collection in H&M. The quality of those clothes much better than quality of clothes in the shop. This is a gray dress, a rib dress with lyrics. And I don't know why, but it seems to me it's silhouette A, but I'm not sure. And this is size S, as a other story size S, as a here size S, but I don't know, maybe it will too big, too large for me. I don't know, let's see. One more parcel arrived finally from Clarks Outlet. Let's open it. The first one is item is a bag, a Clarks bag. Usually I don't like and don't buy Clarks bags, but this one is gorgeous. This one looks like the bag that I am dreaming of. My dream is a Celine bag, but to be honest, I can't buy it. It's too much for me. For now, I hope so. Maybe someday in future. But this bag looks like a Celine bag, but without metallic details. I have a rule. If I can't buy expensive bags, that means that I should buy something cheaper, but the shape should be the same and no metallic details at all, because cheap metallic details show that the bag is not expensive, it's cheap. But this bag very comfortable. I also have in a caramel color this kind of bag, and the shape is gorgeous. I can fit here my phone, my wallet, but usually don't use wallet, but I can put here a tripod from camera. This is very important for me because I'm a blogger. That's why I really love it. So there are two boxes with shoes, and they are similar, the same, but in different sizes. Usually in Clarks I wear 5.5, but there was no 5.5, just 5 and 6. Ooh. The color is wonderful. On the website the color was more yellow, more warm. but in real life I see it's gorgeous. Why I chose this model? Because inside it is leather. So outside upper is leather, inside leather, and I can wear without socks. For me it's very, very important. So as you understand, as you remember or not, I have ordered UK 14 H&M mom jeans, and now you can see is a little bigger than I need. So this one I'm gonna return, and then we'll order size 12. Here we are, wool knitted dress from Other Stories. I love the slits on the sleeves. I love like dress suits me here on the waistline. Very feminine look. I'm not sure about the quality of A-line skirt because something wrong here. Maybe I can iron it or something else. I don't know why they made it like this, but I love the fit. This is really basic dress that every woman must have in her wardrobe, and the length is perfect, and the color is gorgeous, and the neckline, just look at this. I love it so much. So guys, this dress is gorgeous, it's stunning, it's beautiful, exactly what I looking for, but it's too big for me. It has a lot of volume here. I want to show my waist. I think I have a gorgeous body exactly in this place. The sleeves, I love it, this length of sleeves, but this is a maxi length, and as for me it's too much because I am 5'3", and it seems to me this dress swallowed me. Can I say it like this? I don't want to be swallowed by clothes. If I order XS, maybe it will be a little shorter and it will be a little smaller here, and it will fit me better, but I'm not sure. So let's summarize. I kept the dress from Other Stories, shoes from Clocks, Other Stories, scarf, those one that is light, and the black bag from Class. Other pieces I am going to return. But come back to me to the next video because I'm going to make one more about knitted dresses. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.